August 22nd, 2020. A lot has been happening with the house since the last update a month ago. The floors have been pretty much filled in now, at least concrete haven't been tiled. And they've started the ceilings for both the inside and out. So more of a better understanding of what the carport and for the house will start looking like in the interior. Coming back in, I'm gonna walk this way. Something we had always discussed, that it was gonna be a little dark in the hallway, but with all the white ceiling now and with the floorboard, not too bad at all. A little dark as you go in my room, but that's fine. Krista's room is coming along nicely. What we decided were to put shelves all through here. She's gonna have basically turn this into a mega closet, which is what she wants. That's great. Mine is coming along nicely. Poured, as you have the step down and really tall ceilings. Bathrooms. Electrical outlets, light outlets, ceiling fan outlets. Heading back out. That's as far as they've got the ceiling so far. The same ceiling we have in our guest house. Very durable, very sturdy, very nicely done. Heading into the main living room. Again, floors are poured. Heading out into the bath area. This is where the outdoor shower will be. We've got the sidewalk poured around the house, and we'll walk around that in just a second. They're starting with some of the plumbing on the outside for where they're gonna have the pool. We'll decide to go ahead and move forward with the pool this time. So just, since they're doing construction now, let's go ahead and take care of it. So it'll be a kidney-shaped pool right here on the edge. Head back over here real quick. As like I said, the sidewalk has been poured throughout the house. They haven't done the deck yet. There'll be a different type of planks for the deck. This is the doggy area. Coming through here, have the place for the dogs to be able to wash off and hang out. And leads into the kitchen, where we have started doing some of the preparation for the kitchen itself. That's where the countertop will be, and of course that's where the appliances are. Gorgeous day today. It's very overcast and rainy earlier, but today it's come along very nicely now. Looking back out this way, there you go. Ceiling in here, they've got a little ways to go, but it'll get there pretty soon. The only other thing we have started some storage space I haven't shown you here too, but this will be some locations for some additional storage up in the attic that cut out for